Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're bringing you along on a super fun family getaway. It took a 4-hour drive all the way to Zambales, and let me tell you, the view on the way, it was so giving. From beautiful mountains to wide open roads, the journey alone felt like a mini vacation already. But wait till you see the beach, the food, and all the laughs we had together. Let's go.
Made my mind up tonight that I would hit your line up tonight. I need you to find your way to my crib, just so I can show you what I'm all about. Yeah, I need you to find your way to my crib, cause I ain't into playing games, baby. Come on, pull up, and pull up, and pull up, and pull up. What you tryna do? Come on, pull up, and pull up, and pull up, and pull up. What you tryna do? Cause baby, it's time.
Okay, quick tip lang guys, if you're passing through Subic, be mindful of the traffic rules. They strictly follow a one car at a time policy at intersections. Nahuli kami guys, so drive carefully to avoid the same hassle.
Your limits and decide if you wanna vibe with me tonight. I'm not trying to stress you, I'm not trying to press you, but I'm trying to impress you. Can you blame me? Now if I'm not what you are used to, you don't have to slide through. But if you want some,
It's also very important to note, guys, that there are fees separate from the accommodation cost. Additional charges includes vehicle fees. We also need to pay per head. I think that's for environmental fee and all that. And make sure to bring extra cash to cover these expenses.
come and get it, come get it. I need you to find your way to my crib, just so I can show you what I'm.
And we're finally here. Dito kami ngayon naka-check-in sa Liwaliw Villas and Dome Glamping. Hindi siya ganun kalapit sa beach, to be honest with you guys. I think it's a good 10 to 15 minutes walk. But here's a quick tour of where we stayed. So 2 floors siya. Then there's mezzanine area. It can accommodate up to 15 guests total. Dapat daw 12 guests lang yun nandito. And then they accommodated 15 kasi 15 kami. And here's a quick tour. The place is very aesthetic. Tingnan nyo naman. It's nice. Medyo masikip dahil 15 nga kami. Meron pa siyang paganyan. Very cute. And the interior. So, yan yung mezzanine area. Andyan yung AC. Ang pangit lang dito, guys, is yung water, amoy kalawang, and yung AC, hindi niya kaya. Dahil iisa lang yung AC dito, medyo mainit siya paggabi. May mga areas or beds na hindi abot ng aircon. Anyway, we're here to have fun, not to complain.
Dito ka niya! Dito naman sinabi na itim pala ang motif na mga nakaitim. Hoy, Pogi! What?
Pansinin niyo dito, guys, how even the most serious conversations end up in laughter when you're with family. So this is what it looks like from the outside. Merong table dito na pwedeng kainan. And then, my jacuzzi just in front of our villa. Ayan yung jacuzzi nila. And it's free for 2 hours. And then that's the door. It's a sliding glass door na merong smart lock. And then ito yung next or 2 other villas na malapit sa amin. Ito naman yung mga caretaker nila. And here's the pool. Ito yung pool area. In between siya ng other 2 villas, but since there's no guest pa naman, we're still very comfortable having the kids swim there dahil wala pang masyadong tao or wala pang tao nung dumating kami. It's actually free to access, kaya lang medyo awkward pag marami ng guest. But fortunately, nauna kami, so the kids are still able to enjoy the pool. So, ito yung pool area nila. It's not a huge pool, but it's nice naman. Kaya nga lang guys, ang problem dito is yung water. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung tubig dito kasi amoy kalawang siya. Here's the view from the outside. And the kids now enjoying the jacuzzi. After a couple of hours rest, we are now going to the beach.
Always think about you in the moonlight. Yeah. I'm all in my feels when the mood right. Yeah. I love when you calling my name. Hoping you're calling my phone every day. I'm hating the fact that you're far away from me. Yeah. Cause I'm missing your touch in the morning. I just really wanna look in your eyes. So baby, tell me where we're going. Cause I'm just really enjoying your vibe. Yeah. And I really wanna take you out. So baby, can you stay a while? Cause I know you gotta go back. But I don't like that. Slowly, go faster. Keep going, you'll catch up. And I'm only getting smarter. Can I hold you down? Something about your kiss, something about those lips, something about those hips. Baby, you'll never miss. Baby, can I hold you down? Baby, do I make you proud? Baby, can I take you out? Cause baby, I like you now. Yeah, we cuddled up in my bed. Baby, I like it when you say that I'm the only one in your head. Yeah, I'm the only one to get you wet.
Kaya pabaliktad lumakad.
Kaya pala.
Welcome to my vlog!
Hello po. Ay, naka-iPhone 16 Pro Max fully paid 1 terabyte. Grabe naman.
12 years to pay!
Sinamala ng kahirapan. Grabe yun, guys. Naka-iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 terabyte fully paid. Grabe.
Kate!
Hirap po. Kasi kung may request namin eh. Bigyan na kayo. Magkano yung mga magnet mo, kuya? 100. Thank you, kuya. Pwede pa naman tumambay.
Ano masasabi mo sa Sambales? Ma'am, ano masasabi mo, ma'am?
Okay naman. Pilit eh, no?
Ha?
Pilit naman sa ilong.
Video ka?
Malambot ang lupa. Masarap kasi na yung talong-talong. Kasi ilakad sa may hirap na kaliwa. Nawawala.
Hi! Video!
Hello!
Wag na!
And just like that, after just 2 hours, it was time to wrap up the swimming by 6 p.m. Everyone needs to get out of the water because there are no more lifeguards on duty. Gotta follow the rules, safety first always. Now it's time to head back to the villa and start preparing dinner.
Ito, hotdog. Ang dami mga masisihaw ka.
Hi guys! Uuwi na si Dwayne ngayon, hindi nakasubsi. Totoo. Welcome to our villa. Hoy! Hoy!
Kita kami.
Video to, video. Video to guys ha.
Yun nga eh, dapat nga yun eh.
Best thing ka.
Pasok.
Oh my gosh!
Hindi ko nga maayos yung hiwa eh.
Oh my gosh!
Inaaral ka na maayos para mag-iwan ng kamatis.
Kamusta po ang pag-ano ng...
Uy, dito mga dito mga dito mga tanggap niya na daw maging matanda.
Ate Adi.
Ada po.
Hoy, mag-hi kayo!
Wala dito po. Parang masakit. Pag nakita ako sa vlog, may bayad yan ha.
Oh, hindi.
Baka sumikap kayo dito. Dito ako.
Libre yon, libre.
Dito, tignan nyo, nakakakiliti sa paa.
Hoy, ano masasabi mo?
Ang nasasabi ko lang ang pulis pa rin. Sana pag-uwi ko kayo.
Hoy, nasa slide ako dito. Nasa
Ako na ito, todo na yung init nito.
Ba't kayo nag-relocate?
Kasi po sinundan namin yung matanda namin kasama.
Sino kaya yun?
Yung nakaputik po.
17 pa lang ako eh.
17, enemy mo? Doon po sa 20.
Hi! Pagod ka, Nay? Ano?
Cheese dog.
Pangit?
Hindi
Dapat
ko siya bagay
hotdog.
kapag ano ihaw.
Ihaw, ganun pala yun. Kamusta?
Wait! Ihaw ka barbecue?
Ubusin daw natin yun eh. Kasi sayang pag iuwi pa. Nasa freezer.
Ano mo na dito sir?
Putan nyo.
Good evening po! Welcome to our resort! Good evening po! Welcome to the resort!
Hindi. Upo ka na maayos. Baka may sausaw mo. Ikaw, Atisa.
Ang ganda ng sauce. Water. Our brand new sauce.
Hungarian mo.
Ayos ka kasi baka matumba ka eh.
Yeah, matutubo talaga ako. Kaya ako siyang ginagawa. Ito na sauce.
Ano tayo nito papayat?
Huwag na muna ngayon. Sa
Ang hirap pagpapayat. Oh my God.
Mamaya, hindi na masarap yan. Tapos sabay-sabay.
Tapos?
Sinong mas masarap? Ang nag-iihaw o ang iniihaw?
Ay, sarap ang talong. Ang talong na bulilit.
Ang cute naman ang talong na yan.
Si Lola na napagod sa aming paglalakad. Madam na madam. Hey, close up. There's
Han! Ano ko? Ito? Yan? Okay na ba yung ganyan? Ayun oh.
Takam na si Dito Marjo. Dito Tino.
Ilan?
Ay, pupunta rin din dito kasi baka ayaw mo sa bawah.
Ay, si Snow White nandito. Ganda niya naman. Kung gusto nyo lapitan kayo dito, ano, paamuyin nyo muna yung kamay nyo.
Baka maamoy niya yung pusa namin at alam mo ito.
Uy! Naaway kayo dyan. Kaya na mag-joke-joke ng ganun eh.
Ayoko na.
What's up mga ka-gang-gang? Dito po tayo ngayon sa Liwa Beach Resort sa Zambales. Yeah. Ayan o, may jump scare.
And here's to the next day. Good morning, guys. We are now celebrating Mother's Day, the perfect reason to celebrate another day of love, laughter, and happiness with the whole family. Thank you, Be. Love you.
Hanggang ano. Tagal ka naging po, di ba? Yung pumunta pa dito.
Oo.
Ang tagal po nun eh.
Oo. Bakit ang mga pinipili nila mga ang edad 80? Eh, kaunti na lang ang panahon nun para ano, di ba?
Kasi kailangan po, ano,
So since nabitin tayo kahapon sa pag-beach, this is early morning. Pupunta ulit tayo sa beach para mag-swim. But first, meron ditong sari-sari store na nagbebenta ng kape. So here's Nescafe and beer brand all together. 30 pesos each. Ang busy ni Kuya sa store niya, but here's coffee.
Hey!
Kuya, banana boat yung kanila. Banana boat.
Sa amin yan. Sa akin, sa harap. Hi, bye-bye! Ingat kayo! Ingat kayo!
See you next
See you next week! Ha? Nasa likod na? But next week? Sabi natin.
Isama ka na. Narinig pala na.
Kaya nga. Bye-bye! Ingat kayo! Ay, alis na ako dito. Bye-bye! Hoy, magbabay muna kayo! Bye!
Sundan namin kayo.
Alam mo, parang sira ulo to.
Bakit? Bye-bye, Bes. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Parang hindi mo siya kayang apakan.
Apakan ko siya, wait.